I really want to help all my friends at school, so I will join the student council election this year today.
Lolo, I have decided to run for the leader position because I want to make our school a much kinder place for everyone.
We should be very honest and show everyone that being kind is the most important trait for a leader to have in school.
I am the most stylish student here, so I will definitely win this election, and everyone will follow my rules every day. Do not get in my way, Lala, because I have much more important things to do than talking to you right now.
I think it is a great idea to have a fair debate so everyone can see who has the best plans for us.
Lolo, can you please tell me what our classmates really need most so I can help them in the best possible way?
Look at this amazing megaphone I bought, and I will use it to make sure everyone hears my name and votes for me.
You look very thirsty after our long study session. Please take my water bottle and have a drink to feel much better now.
If you want these beautiful shiny stickers, you must promise to vote for me and nobody else in the election tomorrow morning.
Lolo, we must use this eraser to fix the words on our poster so that every student can read our message clearly.
Lala, your poster is too simple and plain. It will never win against my shiny, colorful posters that I made yesterday morning. The clock is ticking very fast, and we only have 5 minutes left before the lunch bell rings in the school hallway.
I do not mind if I lose the election, Lolo, because staying honest and kind is more important than winning a trophy.
I am definitely the most beautiful and smartest girl in this class, and everyone will surely vote for me because I'm perfect.
You can use my glitter pen if you want, Limo. It will make your drawings look very bright and happy for everyone. I will write down every good idea for the playground so that our school can be a fun place for all children. Look at this amazing game on my new tablet, Lolo. If you join my team, I will let you play it whenever.
Do not be sad, Lala. Your ideas are much better than Limo's stickers because you actually care about helping all our friends. My lunchbox is the most expensive one in the world, and it has much better food than your boring little snacks.
I am writing my speech about how we can help every student feel happy and safe. It is more important than wearing fancy new clothes. The sun feels so warm on my face today. I am very happy because I helped my friends fix their broken toys during.
I am marking the names of all the students who want to ask Lala questions. Many people want to hear her ideas about the new school rules.
This book says that a great leader must listen to everyone and always be honest. I want to be that kind of leader for our school.
If you promise to vote for me, I will give you all of these delicious candy bars. Being the leader means we get to have many treats. I can see Limo hiding Lala's flyers. That is not fair at all.
I must tell Lala what I saw with my binoculars right now.
Limo, did you take my flyers? Honesty is very important if you want to lead the school. We should play fair and be kind to others.
I want our school to be as clean and peaceful as this hallway. A good leader thinks about the small things that make everyone very happy.
I am using this calculator to see how much money we can save. We can use that money to buy many new books for the library.
Let's keep jumping while we talk about the big election day. I am ready to give my final speech and show everyone my kind heart today.
You need to look perfect like me, Lala. A real leader must have the best clothes and a lot of money to win everyone over.
I have worked very hard on my speech tonight. Tomorrow morning at school, I will tell everyone that being kind is better than being rich.
Look at this shiny star on my head right now. I am the only real star in this whole school, and everyone should just follow me. We can use this compass to find the perfect north spot. If we put your posters here, every student will see them when they arrive. Listen to me, students. My new shoes are the most expensive ones in the world. Being a leader means having the best fashion sense every day. Do not cry, little friend. I will find your lost toy with this bright light. Helping others is much more important than winning an election.
When I look at this big globe, I see so many different people. Every student in this school matters to me, no matter who they are.
I am taking photos of this messy playground right now.
We need a leader like Lala who will help us keep our school clean and safe. Look at this small piece of trash through the glass. We should plan a big cleanup day so our classroom can be beautiful for everyone here. This shiny pin shows that I am the most popular girl. Leadership is only about being famous and having everyone know your name all the time.
Look at this big banner above the stage, and I hope it stays up for the whole debate because everyone is watching you now.
I am wearing my warm sweater today because the air is cold, but my heart is happy while I practice my kindness speech.
I have so many likes on my new photo, and that means everyone in the whole school wants me to be the leader.
I am showing you this school map so we can see the best places for the new recycling bins to help the earth. I found this gold key on the floor, and I think I will keep it for myself instead of giving it back.
Look at that shiny gold trophy over there. It belongs to me because I am the smartest and the best student in school.
I am sitting in this chair waiting for the votes, and even though I am a little nervous, I feel very brave. I need to put this tablet into its protective case so I can help the teacher count all the votes very carefully.
You look great today, and many students said they liked your speech because you were very honest and kind to everyone there. I have a big box of party hats for the celebration because I am sure that I will win the election today.
I cannot believe that I actually won the election today. I promise to work very hard for every single student in this school.
Thank you so much for this beautiful flower and for believing in me. Your kindness really makes my heart feel very happy and strong.
I really do not mind that I did not win the election. This perfume smells much better than being a busy student leader anyway today.
Lolo, please help me write this letter to the principal. We need to suggest some new and fair rules for our school playground very soon.
The school cleanup team is going to be very fun because we will play some great music. Limo, would you like to join us?
I want you to be my special helper because you have great ideas. Please wear this badge and help me make our school a better place.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our class. I am your new leader, and I am here to help you with anything you might need today. I am writing a very special story about how kindness won the election. It is important to remember that being honest is the best way.
Lolo, I want to thank you for being such a smart and loyal friend. I could not have won this big election without your help. Let us all eat this delicious cake together and celebrate our friendship. We learned that being kind to each other is